Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Kapil Home Workouts. This is Saturday evening and we are going to do a strength workout for upper body. So this strength workout involves pull exercises and push exercises. There are two blocks. First block is push block and second block is pull block. In first block there are 6 exercises and in second block there are 4 or 5 exercises. So these are my weapon of choices to do these exercises. A medium weight dumbbell, total weight 15 kg, a heavy weight dumbbell, total weight 25 kg. So first we will do the push block. I am putting timer here. Let's start today's workout, and the first push exercise is our floor press. So I am using heavy weight dumbbells for floor press. In floor press, keep your elbows at 45-degree angle from your torso. We are aiming 10 to 12 reps. Fifteen reps. So this is first exercise of our first block, and the second exercise is dumbbell flies. I have write down the workout here. So for dumbbell flies, I will be using medium weight dumbbells. Ten to 12 reps, guys. Twelve reps. Now we will do third exercise, and that is third exercise of our block. First block is close grip presses. So that will target our inner chest and also some triceps. You know, triceps are targeted in many push works. So again, I will be using these medium weight dumbbells for close grip presses, chest presses. So this was our third exercise. Our fourth exercise is shoulder presses, and for shoulder presses we will be using our heavy dumbbells. So again we are targeting 12 to 10 to 12 reps for shoulder presses. These were our shoulder presses. These slow movements increase time under tension for specific muscle group, and you know the time under tension is very important to break the muscles so they can build when we eat proper food and take proper rest. During workout we only break our muscles and build our character. We build our muscles when we rest. So workout is a positive destruction of body, I will say. When you work out, you destroy your body and you build your character. You increase your mental game. So now we have done 3 exercises, and now we do 4 exercises. Now we do our 5th exercise, and that is our lateral raises and front raises. So we do these 2 exercises in a combined fashion. Slightly bend your elbows in your lateral raises. Seven reps each. Eight reps. So total 16 reps. 8 for lateral raises and 8 for front raises. Now we do a tricep movement, 6th exercise of this workout, of this round, and the last one as well. And that is our tricep extensions. Tricep kickbacks. We will be doing 10 to 12 reps. So we have completed round 1. We learned different type of exercises. Now we will do 2 more rounds of all these 6 exercises. This time we will take lesser rest, as we know what we will be doing. So let's start. Floor presses, elbow. Our elbow should be at 45-degree angle from our torso or 45-degree angle from the line of our shoulders. Fifteen reps. Now we do dumbbell flies. 10 to 12 reps. So my forearms are hurting. If you want, you guys can use grips. Now the third exercise of this block is close grip chest presses. So close grip chest presses, guys. 10 to 12 reps again. Twelve reps. This brings us to our fourth exercise, and that is shoulder presses. So we are using heavy dumbbells for shoulder presses. 10 to 12 reps. Ah. 11 reps. Now we do our lateral and front raises. Lateral raise, front raise. So we are doing these medium weight dumbbells for this exercise. We will be doing We will try to finish 8 reps total. 16, 8 and 8. Our target rep range is 6 to 8 of each movement. Six. We have done 6 reps. 7. 8 reps. Now this brings us to last exercise of this block, and that is our tricep kickbacks. My hands are hurting. I will be slightly tilting this side to give you a more proper look of tricep kickbacks. Well, reps. So this brings us to our final round of this block. So let's do it. We will finish our workout strongly. Chest, floor presses, guys. Elbow at 45-degree angle from your torso. Elbows. 10 to 12 reps. You should be concentrating on your backs while bracing your core. Fifteen reps. Now we do chest flies, or these are called dumbbell flies. 10 to 12 reps. Three back-to-back chest movements. Hit our chest properly. 1. 2. 12 reps. Now we do close grip chest presses or simply presses, close grip presses. This is our close grip. You concentrate on your pecs while pressing your core. Reps. So this brings us to our fourth exercise of this round, and that is our shoulder press. Again, we will be targeting 10 to 12 reps. Last time 12 reps hurted me. Let's see how much rep in this round we get. So shoulder presses. Oh, 12 reps. Exercise never become easier, guys. It's you who becomes stronger. So this is the process. Exercises are what they are. When you do consistently, you become stronger. So now fifth exercise of our this block, and that is lateral raises and front raises together. We will target 6 to 8 reps of each exercise. Four reps. Six, 7, 8 reps. So now we do the last exercise of our this block, as well as of course this block and this round. So after this we will be not doing push block for the day. So tricep kickbacks, 10 to 12 reps. Bend your knees. 12 reps, guys. So we have completed our push block. Now this brings us to our pull block. In pull block, there are 4 exercises, 4 to 5. We have done this push block in nearly 25 minutes. So this time we have less number of exercises. So we will try to do in less number of time. So the first exercise, I am introducing the exercises. You take rest for a while. So the first exercise is bent over row. Of course, without bent over row, there is every pull exercise. I will say the pull movement is incomplete. So first is bent over rows, then we do high pull rows, back to back. And after that, we will drop our heavy dumbbells and use these lighter weight dumbbells for reverse flies and curls. In curls, we will be doing bicep curls and hammer curls back to back. So I will be doing 8 to 10 bent over rows, then 8 to 10 high pull rows. I will try to complete these both rows without dropping dumbbells. It will be a challenge, but let's see what happens. So first bent over rows. In rows, we don't curl. We move our elbows towards our torso. So move your elbows, guys, towards your torso at 45-degree angle. Let's start. These were our bent over rows. Now high pull rows. Ten reps. So we have done 10 reps of both exercises. Now we do our reverse flies to target our back. Almost pull exercises target primarily our back and biceps. If we are doing curls, then biceps, and if we are doing rows, then our back. Different part of back, of course. Different exercise target different section of our back. And push exercises mainly target our chest and shoulders and triceps. So now we do reverse flies, 8 to 10 reps. We keep our backbone straight. We will be seeing towards ground at 45-degree angle and 8 to 10 rep, guys. So these were reverse flies. Now we do curls. First we do bicep curls 8 reps, then we do hammer curls 8 reps. So bicep curls. Ten reps. Now hammer curls. The rep range is 8 to 10, of course. Ten reps, guys. So we have finished block 1. And we have nearly used 32 minutes. 2 more exercises, 2 more rounds of this block, the block of pull exercises, and then our workout will be finished or completed. So do some stretching if you need. Rows are coming up. Have some water, use your towel, whatever relaxes you. Take deep breaths. So bend over rows, guys. Slightly bends, then you bend, and then you move your elbows. Ten reps. Now high pull rows. You start from your hanging position, then you pull high. My forearms are hurting very much. So we have done 3 reps. Ten reps. Now we do our reverse flies 8 to 10 reps, guys. Five. Eight reps. I am putting down dumbbells. Now we will be doing our curls. First bicep curls, then hammer curls. So 8 reps of both curls. Thus 10 reps. Now we do our hammer curls. 8 reps. Eight reps. My forearms are hurting. My arms are hurting. My back is hurting. And this is why we are here. To break muscles and build character. Take good food after your workout to replenish your energy, to build your muscles. You need carbs for replenishing your energy. You need better quality fats and protein to build your muscles. And many micro minerals, of course. Now we come to our third round of this block, and this round is the last round of today's workout. We will finish it strong. Have some water. If it is hurting, then we are doing it right. Hurting like muscles, we are not here to get injured. So to prevent injuries, we do exercise in proper forms and by bracing core. Bracing your core is very important in almost all exercises. Core is where your center of your mass rests. So brace your core build your core to be strong. So last round, first we do bent over rows, 8 reps this time. High pull rows, 8 reps. Eight reps. There is a sudden power cut, guys, but we have nothing to worry about. We will be finishing our workout in a short while. So now we do reverse flies, 8 reps, guys. Eight reps. Now we do our curls, 8 bicep curls and 8 hammer curls. First we do 8 bicep curls. Now we do, oh my arms are hurting. Now we do 8 hammer curls. Eight reps, guys. So this was our push and pull workout, guys. It nearly took 40 minutes. So thank you, guys. Thank you for being there. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment as well. Thank you, guys.